Hey guys, welcome back to VRK Homemaker. Guys, day before yesterday was Skanda Sashti, and due to that, we have celebrated the Skanda Sashti. And how we celebrated, what all the things we have done going there, and let's see, guys. So, before getting into the video, you know, right, what to do. Please do subscribe, share, like my videos. This is an Naivedyam which we have offered for God, guys. So, guys, we reached Snake Pit, which is also called Putta, and the rituals and the puja procedures are different from the place to place. Some people place Nagadevata idol and perform puja, but in some places devotees go to snake pit, which is Putta, and offer Naivedyam, and snake god brings in prosperity and happiness for the whole year, guys. And Nagula Chavati is also known as Naga Chaturthi, guys. Skanda Sashti also they will celebrate in the same way, and Nagula Chavati also it's a festival where they'll celebrate in the same way, guys. Actually, this is a major festival in Andhra Pradesh, and some parts of Karnataka and Tamil Nadu also they will celebrate this, and it actually falls on the during the Kartika Masam, which is on Diwali, fourth day after Diwali during Shukla Paksha Chaturthi of Kartika month, guys. So today we, because of the Skanda Sashti, we are just doing this, guys. And whenever the Skanda Sashti comes or Nagula Chavati comes after Diwali or Ganesha festival, whenever it comes, definitely we go to this snake pit and we'll definitely celebrate it. So very simple, and it is our custom, guys. Skanda Sashti or Kumara Sashti is a very popular festival, guys, which is dedicated to Lord Kartikeya, son of Devi Parvati, and Lord Shiva. Lord Kartikeya is also known by many names by his devotees, guys, such as Kumar, Muruga, Subramanya, etc., guys. Hence, Skanda Sashti is also known as Kumara Sashti. The festival of Skanda Sashti is a 10 days long event in Tamil Nadu and some other states. In the temple for Lord Subramanya located in Tiruchendur, a grand festival is celebrated on these days. And to conclude the festival, the event of Sura Samhar, or the killing of the demons by Lord Skanda, is enacted to this day. Devotees throng to witness this grand event and seeks the blessings of Lord Skanda. Guys, we believe that offering milk, fruits, and Naivedyam to snakes will really help to negate all the Kala Sarpa dosha. And obviously everybody even offer milk to snakes on Naga Panchami day, even we too, and that will really bring a great fortune and success in our lives. By offering milk, rice, fruits, and perform arti to impress Nagadevata in exchange for blessings and good fortune. Whatever the reason may be, the unique ritual of Skanda Sashti is celebrated with a great joy across the country. Snakes, especially cobras, are also worshipped on this day, especially with offering of milk and generally with the assistance of a snake charmer. Thank you so much to all my subscribers who are really supporting me by subscribing my channel and watching my videos and giving me such a motivation to do more videos, more interesting videos every day, guys. Thanks a lot. And guys who are really watching my channel without subscribing, please do subscribe, share, like my videos. And I hope you really enjoyed with this Skanda Sashti video we have celebrated near my house, guys. And really like it, just give a big thumbs up and share this like this. So guys, let's catch up with a new video again tomorrow. Until then, take care, bye bye.